In the highly regulated pharmaceutical industry, maintaining a clean and controlled environment is absolutely paramount. Even seemingly small issues can have significant consequences for product quality and patient safety. One critical aspect of this is pest control. Today, we're going to explore why it's so important to keep pharmaceutical facilities free from unwanted visitors. Why is pest control so critical in the pharmaceutical industry? Pests, such as rodents, insects, and birds, can be a significant source of contamination. They can carry microorganisms like bacteria and fungi, as well as shed hair, droppings, and other particulate matter, all of which can compromise the sterility and quality of pharmaceutical products. Regulatory bodies, through GMP guidelines, have strict requirements for pest control to prevent such contamination. Beyond product quality, pests can also cause damage to facilities and equipment, leading to costly repairs and potential disruptions in production. Ultimately, inadequate pest control poses a direct risk to patient safety and can severely damage a company's reputation. So, what are some common pests found in pharmaceutical facilities? Rodents, such as mice and rats, are a frequent concern due to their ability to gnaw through materials and their potential to carry diseases. Various types of insects can also be problematic, including cockroaches, flies, ants, and stored product pests that can infest raw materials or finished goods. In some cases, birds nesting in or around facilities can also introduce contamination. The specific types of pests may vary depending on the geographical location and the surrounding environment of the facility. Implementing preventative pest control measures is the first and most crucial line of defense. This starts with the building design and maintenance, ensuring that cracks and openings are sealed and proper drainage is in place to prevent pests from entering. Proper waste management and disposal are essential to eliminate potential food sources. Good housekeeping practices, including regular cleaning and sanitation, are vital in making the environment less attractive to pests. Material receiving and inspection procedures should be in place to prevent the introduction of pests through incoming goods. Air handling and filtration systems can help control the entry of airborne pests. Finally, employee training on pest awareness, encouraging them to report any sightings or potential issues, is a simple but effective preventative measure. Despite preventative efforts, pests can sometimes find their way in. Therefore, pest detection and monitoring are essential. This involves regular inspections of all areas of the facility, looking for signs of pest activity. The use of traps and monitoring devices, such as sticky boards and pheromone traps, can help detect the presence of pests early on. It's important to maintain logbooks and documentation of all monitoring activities, including the location of traps, inspection dates, and any findings. Early detection is key to implementing effective control measures before a significant infestation occurs. When pests are detected, appropriate control strategies and methods must be implemented. A common approach is integrated pest management, IPM, which involves a combination of preventative measures, monitoring, and targeted control methods. The use of approved pesticides and methods should be carried out by trained professionals, following strict protocols and safety guidelines. Thorough documentation and record-keeping of all control measures taken are essential. It's also important to consider the environmental impact and safety of any pest control methods used within a pharmaceutical facility. In conclusion, a robust and well-documented pest control program is absolutely vital in the pharmaceutical industry. By implementing preventative measures, diligently monitoring for pest activity, and employing effective control strategies, pharmaceutical companies can minimize the risk of contamination, protect the quality and safety of their products, and maintain compliance with stringent regulatory requirements.